Hi guys, it's your girl Kiki here, and we are going to put on this green unit to go with our green eye look today. We are going out. It's the ClamJam, so all women EDM DJs. I'm super excited to see that. But yeah, this is part 2 of a makeup tutorial video, and this is the wig install portion. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my wig cap on. I'm going to slick back all of this, put a braid down, and then tuck the back of my braid into my wig cap. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll be right back with my wig cap on. My cat's in here with me, and I just want you guys, she like loves hair. She's all about it. She's like rubbing on it and stuff. Ooh. Okay, guys, so can you see me? Yeah, okay. So I'll just have to remember to like stay this distance or like maybe this distance. But I have my wig cap on. I have my hair in my braid. I mean, you know, it's a little messy, but like mine never comes down all the way, so it's fine. And like my little sideburn area, fine, whatever. I'm just gonna leave her as is. My main part that I always worry about is like right here. My hairline is like right about here, so I just want to make sure that this part is covered because this is like normally where my part would be, so I want that to look as believable as possible. So I am going to go ahead and start putting on my hair and doing my glue. So I have my hair right here, so we're gonna pop her off. Okay, and then you can see here, got the combs in the back, got my lace all cut. This one, I did the lace portion out here way longer to cover my sideburn. This is one of my newer units, and I'm gonna cut my lace like this from now on. I like it a lot better. So we are gonna go ahead and attach our little doohickeys to the back. Okay. And then we're gonna pop her on. So I have my little strings attached to the tightest one. Okay. We're gonna put her right about here. Okay. And then we're gonna line her up. That's right, this one has like an offset part. Oh, I love her. I cut this unit. That's why it's like really bulky. And I didn't really brush her out too hard. She's just kind of in the style that I had her in previously, but I can brush her out and put some hairspray in her. No big deal there. I'm just kind of getting my little hairs. I have some little baby hairs, just getting those out of my lace. Okay, so now that I have my pieces lined up, I'm going to start doing my glue. I'm just making sure my pieces are looking clean, they're not crispy. Okay. Yeah, so this unit used to be longer and like have layers in it. Well, when I cut it, I just cut the layers out of it, and like this is what's left. So I mean, I still have a little bit of layers that I cut into it, but yeah, just don't look too hard at the bottom half, right? I love the top half though. And even when it was longer, it was still like really, this is the, hold on one second, let me think. I can look it up. I'm gonna have to look it up, guys, because I want to tell you what unit this is. Oh my god, did none of that record? Well, that's embarrassing. Hold on one second. Okay, so I forgot to hit record when I started this, which is unfortunate. I'm so sorry. But this is that unit that I was telling you about. It is the Luna unit from Webster Wigs. So this is a Webster Wigs unit. Again, there we go. She's nice and bright now. So this is her. And you can see she was longer, so I just cut her. And then I started putting my glue on. I'm so sorry, guys. I feel so bad because this is my first ever tutorial doing glue, and I done goofed it up, and my makeup mirror light went out. I'm trying really hard not to be upset. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. So I put my glue on. I use the Ghost Bond XL. You put a couple little dots on your Q-tip. Run it all along here, all along there. I did 2 layers. And then in the spots that didn't get covered, I had some spots right here that weren't quite adhered. I took a bobby pin that I bent, and you just tap it into the glue just ever so lightly, so you just have a little coat on here, and you can kind of put it up underneath and get really close to the area that's not adhered. And then you wait like 5 seconds and then tack her down, and she's good. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take our little bobby pins out, because that's just to hold your hair back. I'm so upset about this, but just the show must go on, and I really want to get a finished hair tutorial out. So I'm gonna just brush the front a little bit. Just right through here. And I'm using the boar hair bristle side, because I feel like that cuts through the crispy pretty well on synthetic units. These Webster wig units are so nice. I have 2, and I love them both dearly. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this, run it through here really quick. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this one little baby area, like right here. It's so hard to see without my light on. But you're just gonna kind of work this little piece right down there. And that's gonna be your little baby hair moment. And I can take a little bit more from right here. Just working on my dry side of my little guy. And then press, 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 press. Just see how many you pick up through there. And then take your other ones and tuck them down. I also want this piece right about here. So again, you're just kind of going through and getting her situated and pressing her down in there. Like that. So you see how she sits now? And then that kind of hides my weird little lace area too. And then this side, I don't have a whole lot to do that with. But you can kind of press down right into there. And then have that piece coming down. Like that. See how I did that? So you have your little tiny baby hairs right through here. They're looking cute, looking gorgeous. I'm just gonna take a little swoop right through here as well and lay this one right there. See, so it's just like finagling it to lay right. And it just kind of helps cover up your little area. Okay. I'm pretty happy with how she's looking right now. Smoothing her out. See, I have no weird bump where my bun would be. Okay, we're just kind of pushing her back. And then I'm going to put my comb in right at the base of my neck. She feels secure. She feels good. She feels ready. Okay. I love that. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just getting tired. I'm getting tired. This isn't good. I'm supposed to like go out and like bop around at this function. I'm getting tired. I'm gonna wait a second to like push the rest of my hairs down because I'll usually do right through here as well. But I'm just gonna wait on that for a second because I need to get my barrettes in, or else this is gonna go flying. So let me go find my barrettes and see if they work. Okay, so I found these little Morty barrettes. So we are, the thing about these is, oh, maybe this will work. Oh yeah, okay. So let's see if we kind of push this one down like that and then do it like that. So yeah, it's just kind of, finagling it. To all like lay together, which, sometimes it doesn't want to do. Just gotta kind of make it work. These are also like really heavy barrettes. I wonder if I could like throw it up more like this. I'm sorry, guys. You were just watching me like molest my hair for like 20 minutes. It's fine, It is what it is, right? Okay. So there's that one. I like that. And then this one will probably go right about here. And let's see if this one sticks down any better. Not really. I like the little wave in it right there, though. It looks cute. I wonder if I can see, they're just not very like, they're heavy, but they're not like super sturdy. Like they're like, that's gonna pop off. I don't know, these ones don't hold for poop. Where's my blue ones? Because I feel like these ones for some reason hold like better. My blue dolphin ones. Yeah, that one, these ones hold a lot better. I'm not sure why that is. Maybe these ones need to be like bent a little bit more. Oh yeah, I think that was it. I might like pause this and then I'll have you guys come back like when it's fixed. Because this is going to take a minute to like get these to look right in my opinion. So I'll be back. Okay, so I went ahead and put in both barrettes because I felt like that was the way that this was going to work. Let's see if they fall out. Nope, they're doing good. Okay, because I plan on doing a lot of head banging, a lot of hair whipping. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take the hair from behind our ear tabs. So these guys right here. Okay, and we're going to stick it down right where our little sideburn guys are. So that kind of comes in front of your ear. And then same with this side over here. You're going to separate out your little guys, pull them forward, right there, and then push them right on there. Just like that. Okay. So she is looking pretty darn cute. I might take a little bobby pin and bobby pin this little side right here. I don't know. I might use hairspray too. I'll probably hairspray this and then I'll be back. I'm going to put away my stuff though because I'm all done. All I just need to do is hairspray it to keep the little, like all the little flyaways handled. So I'm going to do that and then I will be back with like my whole outfit and like finished product. So thank you for your patience, guys. I know this has been a crazy video. I'm trying my best. Thanks for your patience. Hi guys. Okay, so we're back with the full picture. I did change my barrettes into, the cat knocked over my light, changed my barrettes into something that would hold a little bit better. But this is kind of the full, see if we can, the full experience. She's really cute. Let's see if I can move back even farther. Okay, you can kind of get it. I'll have to like move into the hallway. A little bit. There it is. That's the money shot. Okay, so we are living. We're super cute. The only thing I'm missing is like my lashes and nails, but like it's time to go. So I'll see you next time, gang. Bye.